Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, December 29. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of DAX. This is a 45 minutes chart. We can see we ended with 1. So you can see in the subdivision here, 5 in red, 4 in red. So that means the minor degree form 5 waves up, ending with 1 in the intermediate degree. And so now that means we are now within the wave 2 pullback, and within the wave 2 we should be subdivided into an ABC, right? And now is in the process of ending the first leg with A. Now with A, as you know, subdivides into another 5 waves. So from here we ended with 1 of A, with 2 of A. So now we are looking for the downside to continue lower within 3 of A and 4 and 5 to finish A in red. Then after that we got a B rally to correct the entire decline from the peak before another leg lower C. Okay, so the key level is going to be 14,677. As long as we stay below here, we can continue to go down. Now in the very short term, we can either go down as we are projecting here, okay, that this wave 2 completes, but then for this view to get validation, you need to break below wave 1. Now the other possibility is that we can do a double, in which case this is becoming a W and this is becoming an X, and then you have another leg higher in a 3 waves, the Y, and then that will end your wave 2 here as a WXY before going down. But whether we go down below this level or whether we go double before going down, we're still calling for another leg down as long as the key level here 14,677 holds, right? So the key level, again, to basically emphasize, the key level is not this one here, but it is this one. Okay. So let's zoom out a little bit and get some ideas where we are. I'm zooming out in the 4-hour. I'm copying this with 1 here, intermediate degree, into the 4-hour time frame, which is in here. So basically what we are seeing here is that the rally that started from October low, or in this case is late September, right? That ended with 1 as a 5 waves up. As you can see, the structure looks impulsive. So now we are within the wave 2. And the wave 2 technically is going to be correcting this entire rally that started from September 28, right? So this is in progress in the wave 2, and we are, again, if you look at the 1 hour, only ending 1 of A, or still at the moment. Okay, so it's either ending the A or 1 of A. Doesn't matter. I mean, even if it is ending the A already here, that still requires another leg down to form an ABC. You can see this one looks impulsive here. So as long as we stay below this one here, we should be looking at minimum another leg down, right? At minimum another leg down, like a 3 waves pullback. So again, the minimum expectation, so to speak, is that as long as we stay below 14,677, we should at minimum get another leg lower. Okay, so that's basically what we got here for today. And as always, if you want to get further updates on other indices, stock, forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.